Hello everyone, Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC coming at you with the boot wash stand from Fly Racing. All right everyone, so today we are taking a closer look at this boot wash stand coming from Fly Racing. Now in my opinion, probably one of the most underappreciated tools when it comes to washing your motocross apparel that a rider can have. Now let me start by asking the question, have you ever tried to pressure wash your boots when you're not wearing them? Well, when you're wearing your boots, it's really not that big of a deal. But if you've ever tried to do it with them off, you know, you're holding your boot, you've got the pressure washer, you're trying to get the right angle, you're trying not to rinse your, they're so powerful, you're trying not to pressure wash your thumb or maybe your index finger off, and then half the time they blow right over, they get dirty, which is what you're trying to avoid, and most times when you're all done, you tip it over, you got so much water in there that you need 2 or 3 days for them to dry out. So if you've ever been in that situation, this is going to be your best friend. So what's great about these, they're just powder coated steel, they're inexpensive, they fold right up, so easy to store in your garage, you can take it with you. But what's nice is how they work is very simple. When you're ready to pressure wash your boots or clean them, you just take it, put one boot on, put the other boot on, you're ready to pressure wash your boots. Now they're completely upside down. You can get all the different angles. And probably my favorite part about this is you don't need to worry about getting them filled up with water, so they're not going to need a lot of time to dry out. So if that's what you're looking for, pick up one of these boot wash stands coming from Fly Racing. If you guys have any questions about them, comment below, and to pick yours up, you can click on the link or head over to our website at RockyMountainATVMC.com. If you like this product spotlight video and you'd like to see more like it, well, make sure to click and subscribe to us on YouTube. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.